This is the Galaxy G Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy G Fold 2 has debuted at the Galaxy Unpacked Part 2 virtual event. The new foldable phone is in the third series that was started with the Galaxy Fold last year. The Galaxy G Fold 2 comes with a series of upgrades over the Galaxy Fold and as well as the Z Flip. The smartphone features flexible display that folds into two, and it also comes with a ultra thin glass protection. The Samsung Galaxy G Fold 2 also offers triple rear cameras and includes wireless charging support. Lenovo laptops with Intel Core CPUs launch. Lenovo Yoga Slim 9i, Lenovo Yoga 9i and Lenovo Legion Slim 7i laptop models have been launched by the Chinese tech giant. The Yoga Slim 9i comes with a genuine leather cover that gives a premium feel. The Yoga 9i on the other hand is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop and the Legion Slim 7i is a thin gaming laptop. All these three laptops are powered by the next generation Intel Core processors. These will be offered in multiple configurations and color options. Apple said to be preparing 75 million 5G iPhone units alongside with new watch and iPad models. Apple has asked suppliers to build at least 75 million iPhone models for later this year, roughly in a line with the last year's launch. In a sign that demand for the company's most important product is holding up in the midst of the global pandemic and recession. This is the Asus ZenBook S. The Asus ZenBook S has been launched by the company and it comes with a relatively taller 3.2 aspect ratio that gives you a little extra vertical screen. It has slim bezels on the three sides and the top, as it houses the webcam and sensors, is a little thick. The Asus ZenBook S uses the Asus number pad that converts the touchpad to the number pad. It is a slim and light machine with a full HD display and a large battery. Sony wireless active noise cancelling headphones to launch in India on September 18th. Sony wireless active noise cancelling headphones will be launched in India on September 18th via Amazon as per the new teaser page posted on the e-commerce chain website. The flagship wireless headphones from the Sony were launched globally in August and will be coming to India around a month after the global release. Facebook says it can remove or restrict access. Facebook has informed users about an update in terms of service under which it could remove or restrict access to any content that could increase legal or regulatory risk from the company worldwide. Mi 10 series getting a new 5G phone in September. Mi 10 series is getting a new 5G model in September with a price under 26,000. Xiaomi revealed a tweet posted on Thursday. The new offering is value for 5G phone and will be powered by a brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series system on chip. The company hasn't provided any exact details about the new model. However, since it will be cheapest in the Mi 10 series, the phone could be a watered down version of the Mi 10 Lite that debuted in the late March. Google and Apple began to roll out COVID-19 exposure notifications to phones. Google and Apple on Thursday announced a new system that will enable the public health authorities to use smartphones to assist in contact tracing without having to build an app.